While his bike was having problems, the guys in the car behind got extremely irritated just for waiting 5 more seconds. Turns out in many places, unnecessary honking like this can actually get you fined.
Yeah.
I'll be able to get here so fucking quick. You're just staring at me.
Yeah, of course I'm gonna stare. Like, what the f?
Hey, nice bike, buddy.
Were you driving?
Yeah.
Why were you honking so much? What's the reason? Why?
Honk. It's America. I can do whatever I want.
It's actually illegal to honk.
Oh, it's illegal to honk?
Unreasonably.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's illegal to honk?
Unreasonably.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Did they honk at you again?
I don't know.
You can't pass us.
No, yeah, you're good, you're good. Yeah. I can't pass you? What do you mean I can't pass you? Wait, why can't I pass?
Huh?
Why can't I pass?
No, I'm joking.
Oh, I was gonna say, Mongols or what?
No. Every time I see a Harley rider, I'm like, oh, we can't pass them.
Nah, yeah, I figured. I was like, you guys look chill.
No.
Usually they're wearing like cuts and shit.
I see it on Instagram with a meme. It's like, oh, you can't pass us.
All the time. I'll see y'all. I gotta turn around.
These guys have clearly seen our videos. After all the clips of Harley riders getting their ego bruised, they decided to have a little fun with it themselves.
Oh!
See, I'm coming. You're impatient of me.
Sorry.
You saw me from far coming in.
You saw me from far. I almost
It
went into
don't
that
matter.
prick.
No.
Hey, shut up.
Wait,
Shut up.
Behave yourself.
Shut up. Oh.
What?
Are you gonna do something?
Are you gonna do
But
something?
you're just sitting and waffling in your
Behave
little
yourself.
You behave yourself. Oh, man.
What?
Don't even try
What
me.
kind of talk are you talking? Don't talk, no intimidation.
Are you mad?
Are you mad?
How old are you, big
How
man?
old are you?
How old are you?
Behave yourself.
Hi. Hello. Good job.
Thankfully, both the biker and the pedestrian came away with only minor injuries, and police later ruled the pedestrian at fault for the incident. This one is a first. I never knew that this can happen. Extreme summer temperatures cause asphalt to expand, creating a heat buckle. Fortunately, this biker managed to stay on the bike.
Pero la verga.
Unable to find his brake in time, the rider ends up in a whiskey throttle. Instead of shutting it off, the same motion twists the throttle wide open. Instead of panicking, the biker luckily found an escape path. A calm head in that split second is often the only thing standing between a close call and a crash.
Oh. Junge! Das habe ich aber nicht gesehen.
There is a reason so many people call riding the best form of stress relief, but it also demands the full mental focus, and that's exactly what this biker was missing. The same goes for a proper gear, which likely would have been the difference between injuries and walking away clean.
I'm alright. Thank you so much. Huh? You don't have to, if you want to pull around, you can pull right here.
Well, I think I'm
So if you could pull right here.
better here because I can go around.
It's just because there's traffic.
Yeah, I know. Not to worry about me. I didn't want to make sure you're okay.
Okay, thank you. Oh.
I don't think you have self-service.
I don't have service. It's ringing, but it's not going through. If you want to ride me down further so I can make a call,
You want to leave your bike there?
it's all good. It's the clutch. The clutch broke, so it's all good. I got my phone. I got everything I need. You want me to move it more off the road?
Yeah, if you can a little bit, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, if you can help me.
Get out of there, bro.
Thank you so much. Oh, I gotta hold the clutch.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get more off the road. So if we can get it like straighter.
Are you alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Take him down, just drop him off a couple.
I just need to make a call.
Oh, here, we'll put a rock underneath that fucking. Underneath that,
You're the right guy to help stop.
yeah, no problem.
Right there, sir?
Yeah, that'll work.
Heck yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, we want to keep you safe out here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you guys.
Hold on.
Lane filtering comes with plenty of benefits, but one wrong move can turn into a serious accident. Luckily, this rider walked away fine.
So it was at this point I was expecting them to jump out of their car, run around, go whoopsie whoopsie, and shut their boot. But nothing happened. When I asked them, did you know your boot's open? they all acted all surprised. There was, no, I didn't know, I had no idea. So it just goes to show how long they were driving without looking in their mirrors.
That's the second taxi to take the damage from lane filtering. A lot of riders misjudge the gap, and that's exactly what leads to situations like this one. Filtering can be done safely, but only when you respect the space instead of forcing your way through it.
Vem, irmão. Vai ficando, vai ficando. Vai um pouquinho pra frente, vamos um pouquinho pra frente. Depois a gente fala, vamos. Você tava na moto? Não, tô de bicicleta atrás dele. Puta merda.
Oh! Oh my.
This biker sensed that something was off with the red pickup truck, and since it was not moving on a fast road, he didn't want to leave it without checking on it.
You want me to give you a push out of the road?
Yeah, I might need it. Damn thing.
Not starting?
What, dude?
Well, if you want to throw it, is she with you?
Yeah, she's with me.
Okay. If you want, I mean, I can at least get you out of the road.
That works. I appreciate it.
You put it in neutral?
Yep, it's in neutral now.
I'll give you a push. Come on, baby. In for the day.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No problem, dude. It's better than nothing.
Right? Yeah, we just got this truck.
I know you're not having a good day, but at least I can hook you up with some bracelets.
I appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Yeah, thanks for the push.
Yup, good luck.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. It's too fast to be sitting out there, so.
I appreciate it.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.